Today's featured truck is a 1973 Chevrolet K10 4x4 pickup truck. And this one I filmed at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California, back in February of 2021, where it sold for $25,000. And I thought that was a pretty good deal. I'll read you the seller's description. And they said 1973 Chevrolet K10 4x4 pickup, fully restored, almost everything new. Rebuilt 350 V8, rebuilt 350 turbo transmission, and rebuilt 205 transfer case. All new dual gas tanks, radiator, complete exhaust, hoses, belts, battery, and cables. Heater core shocks, braided transmission lines, gauges, sliding rear window, wheels and tires, locking hubs, all new interior and custom sound system, undercarriage painted and highly detailed engine compartment. And that was the seller's description. And like I said, it sold for $25,000, which I thought was a pretty good buy for a 4x4 short box with all that work done to it. But anyway, that's today's featured truck of the day, a 1973 Chevrolet K10 4x4 pickup truck, fully restored. That was at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California, and sold for $25,000. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Motor City, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.